I got her a little turban because I just had to. Look at this. Oh my god. Her little head is gonna go in this. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a baby's clothing haul. This is my very first one because I'm having my first child. So I'm going to show you a whole bunch of clothes that I recently splurged on. Yes, the shopping addiction has started. It continues to, baby. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first item is this cute little pair of pants, and these are from Zara. Oh my god, you guys, I just can't control myself. Look at this. This is so cute, and these are 3 to 6 months, and I got this from Zara. So this is so cute, and I love the blush color. It's so pretty. The second piece is this onesie from Chubby Bear. Oh god, I just put lipstick on it. It's this white onesie. It's really cute. So when I was purchasing most of the clothes, I made sure that a lot of them were made out of cotton, just because it's more safe for babies and it's soft, it's more comfortable and soft. Next item is this top from Zara. This top is really cute just because it has like these little ruffles around the arms. It feels a little bit heavy, so I can put her in a dress and put this on top to keep her warm. It's really cute. And this is a 3 to 6 month size. So this is another onesie from Chubby Bear. This is a little bit on the longer side. As you guys can see, it's not short. And it's so cute. I just love how these onesies feel. They feel very soft. The fabric is very comfortable feeling, which is nice, because we do not want baby uncomfortable. So this one is 0 to 3 months. It feels a little bit big for 0 to 3 months, but that's good. We're not complaining because she can always wear it whenever. Next up is a dress. This is this cute little dress from Chubby Bear. I learned about Chubby Bear from Instagram. It was one of those stores that popped up as an ad. I looked on their page and I looked on their website, and their items are so cute and very affordable. So I got a whole bunch of stuff from there. I love this dress because it just has so much detail going on. I love the buttons at the front, and I love the ruffles. I love the sleeves. This is something she can definitely wear when it's warmer. I can put stockings on her with this dress and she will look so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cute. I love the mustard color. It's a perfect fall color, so I'm thinking this is something she could wear during the fall time. And I believe this is 3 to 6 months. Or maybe 0. It doesn't say, but I think maybe it's 0 to 3 months. I don't know. But it's really cute. I just love the color. Next up is this gingham onesie, or one piece, we should say. It's a sage green and white gingham onesie, and it's so cute. Look at this. This is 6 to 9 months, and she will definitely wear this in the summertime next year. It's very lightweight, so if it's hot outside, you know, she won't get irritated. It's still cute. Next up is this cotton jumpsuit from Zara, and it's a little bit heavy feeling, which is good. That's why I got it, because then she can wear it when it's cold. I can put a onesie, a long sleeved onesie underneath, and put this on top. I love the blush color. I am such a blush girl. I love blush. And yeah, this is really cute. And this is the back. So cute. Look at that. I can't believe a little human can fit in this. It's crazy how little these clothes are. It's crazy. This is 3 to 6 months. And then I got her these stockings from Zara. They're so cute, and I love the color. It's just not too flashy. I don't like flashy pink colors, so I like that this is very muted. And this can go with so many dresses that I got her, so that's why I got this specific color. This was a gift from one of my girlfriends. This is a knitwear onesie. This footie, they call them footies because of the little foot insert. So cute. I love the color. It's a gender neutral color, which is why I put it on my baby registry. I love it. I love how soft it is, and I love how warm it is as well. So it is perfect for the cold months, and it is 1 to 3 months, so she can wear this for the first 3 months of her life. Got her these socks from Zara, tiny little cute socks. Then I have this dress from Chubby Bear. It's so cute. It's a floral dress. It's a pretty spring dress and summer dress. I'll probably wait to put her in this until it's a little bit warm, but this is cute and the price was good, so that's why I got it. It's gonna be a stylish girl. And we have another onesie. This is from Chubby Bear, similar to the first white ones that I showed you. Same fabric, same style, just a different color. This is in blush. Well, then I got her this two-piece from, I don't know what color this would be, but it's a pretty color. So this is a two-piece. This is a top. It has detail going on the ruffles and the collar, and then the detailed arms, and then this is the bottom. And then it also comes with little shorts like this, which is so cute. This is really cute. And this does not say how old, but I believe it's 6 to 9 months. And I'll link everything down so you guys can see, because some of the Chubby Bear clothes, they just mark them as numbers. So this one says 70, so I don't know what that means, but I have those details in my email, so when I link everything down, I'll just have the sizes. And I also got her this matching set from Chubby Bear. It is a gray set. It's like a two-piece to just wear around the house. It's like lounge wear for babies. It's really cute. And then this is the top. Okay, so this is a cute little dress I got from Chubby Bear. Look at this dress. Look at this color, this rusty orange color. Look at this. It's so pretty. I just love the, look at the detail in the back. Look at those ruffles. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. Look at this. Just so adorable. Look at this color. Let me buck up. I feel like this light is not really doing this clothes justice. Look at this color. Such a beautiful, cool, not too vibrant shade of yellow, like a very muted light yellow. Got this from Chubby Bear, and it says 70, so I guess I don't know what that means. It's probably 3 to 6 months or 6 to 9 months, but it's so cute. This is something I can have her wear in the summertime just because of how lightweight it feels. It's not too heavy. So I also got her a matching knitwear set from Zara. So this is the top. It's so cute. It comes with this footy pants. It's so cute. Look at that. This is gonna be perfect for when she is for winter. It's a cute set, and this is 1 to 3 months, so this is perfect for the first 3 months. I also got her this pants similar to the pants I showed you in the beginning. This the blush pants. These are similar to those pants but in a different color. These are 3 to 6 months, so again, these are nice to have around the house for her to wear. Extremely comfortable and very soft feeling. Then I got this footy onesie from Spearmint. Spearmint is another brand I came across on Instagram, so this is the first item I got there. It's like a creamish color, and it has like the little footies at the bottom, ruffles here, and then in the back there's also ruffles like right here. And this is very comfortable. It's also made out of cotton, which is a plus. I always love my cotton pieces. They're very comfortable for baby. So yeah. And I got her this bamboo onesie. It's very, very soft. Very, very soft. I can't tell you how soft this thing is. It's extremely soft, and it's 0 to 3 months. Oh, I could cuddle her all night in this. This is so comfortable. Very soft. I got this from Chubby Bear, and it's like a cute little romper. This is the back. Again, I can put her in a long-sleeved onesie and then put this on top. Then we have another cute floral dress from Chubby Bear. I just noticed that this is similar to the first one that I showed you. It's just a different color, but who cares? It's so pretty. This is a pretty summer dress for her to wear, especially in the spring time. So yeah, this is cute. And now I'm going to show you some accessories that I got her. So I got this little headband from Spearmint, and I'm thinking I could actually put her in this bow when I am wearing this head wrap so we can twin. Hey. And I got one that exactly has that but a different color. So I got her a turban. I got her a little turban because I just had to. Look at this. Oh my god. Her little head is gonna go in this, and then bam, she's gonna be wearing her little head wrap, and I'm gonna wear my mommy head wrap, and we're gonna be turning heads. Okay, I got another bow for her from Spearmint, and this is a blush bow, and I just love how soft it feels. All of them feel soft. This is another bow for her. It's a cute little blush. It's a cute little dusty rose light blush bow. I got her this headpiece. It's a little hat that she can put on. It ties around her neck. And then she'll look like a cute little Amish baby. I got another one like that from Spearmint. This is such a pretty color. It's sage green and white stripes. So very cute, very, very cute. And then look at this outfit from Chubby Bear as well. Look at the ruffles at the bottom. Oh my god. This baby is about to just make me go crazy because this clothes is so cute. I got this knit sweater from Zara. It's 3 to 6 months. So I could probably put her in this dress. Oh, look at this combo. And then put this on top of her, and then put some stockings on her. You guys. And then I got a swaddle from Spearmint. I haven't opened it yet. And the reason I haven't is because I need to learn how to swaddle a baby before I can even open this. So it's just a basic swaddle. It's really pretty. The color, it is a cream, and it's a cream swaddle, and it has little stains of rust. And then she got another bow. I got this from Spearmint as well. All right, that's it. I am done. Let me tell you guys one problem I have. I have a shopping addiction. I already know that. I've claimed it. I've accepted it. It's okay. But I feel like that addiction is just going to get worse with the baby. I'm always looking out for baby clothes. It's crazy. It's insane. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And let me know what you thought down below.